Schluter DITRA provides 4 essential functions to address the challenges presented by common tile substrates. DITRA is an uncoupling membrane with a grid structure of cut-back cavities and an anchoring fleece laminated to the underside. The cutback cavities also create free space within the DITRA. The membrane is bonded to the substrate using thin-set mortar. Tile is installed over the membrane using the thin bed method. The cavities are filled with thin-set mortar, and additional mortar is combed over the top. The tiles are embedded in the mortar and grouted. Now, we'll demonstrate the 4 functions. All floors will expand and contract with changes in moisture content and humidity at a different rate than the tile. DITRA provides uncoupling through its open rib structure, which allows the substrate and the tile to move independently. This prevents the substrate movement from building up stress in the tile covering that could otherwise cause damage, like cracks. Floors will also bend and deflect under load. The uncoupling function prevents this movement from causing damaging stresses in the tile covering as well. Tile coverings are not waterproof. Water can get through the tile covering to the substrate below. DITRA provides reliable waterproofing to protect moisture-sensitive substrates from water exposure. The free space on the underside of DITRA provides a route for excess moisture and vapor to escape from the substrate. DITRA's vapor management function allows for tile installation over concrete cured less than 28 days and concrete on grade-passing vapor. Loads are transferred from the tile covering through column-like mortar structures formed in the membrane to the substrate below. This design ensures tiles are properly supported when exposed to traffic. The integration of uncoupling, waterproofing, vapor management, and support addresses the challenges presented by common tile substrates, such as plywood, OSB, concrete, and gypsum. This makes DITRA the universal underlayment for ceramic and stone tile.